Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. I get a lot of questions, sometimes by email, sometimes in comments under my videos, every which way. I do try to respond to them all, but I thought it would be a great idea to start a weekly Q&A video. That way, everyone benefits from the answers, not just the person asking. Well, we'll see how it goes. If you have a question, drop me a line at dondroneson@gmail.com and you may see me answer it right here. And to avoid any embarrassment, I'll keep the questions anonymous. We'll run through a few right now that I received recently. The first one came in as a YouTube comment. I have a DJI Mini 2. How do they check the weight? It doesn't need a license if it weighs under 250 grams, but mine weighs a few grams more because of landing gear add-on. Do they look up your drone on a list or actually weigh it? Well, that's a good question, and I've seen this question in many forms, many times. The answer is that they officially determine the weight of a drone as it is equipped at takeoff, including any payload or accessories it might have, landing gear, stickers, prop guards, or whatever. It's not just the weight of the drone according to its spec sheet. So, if your drone is 250 grams or more, it is considered a small RPA and you need to register it and follow all the rest of the 901 rules. Now, do the police run around with a set of scales? Probably not. But if something bad were to happen and your drone is deemed to be over that magic 250 grams, you could be in for a lot of trouble. By the way, I have a video about some lightweight Mini 2 landing gear that actually keeps your drone under 250 grams. So you might want to try those. There's a link in the description. Second question. This one is a Drone Pilot Canada question. New phone. How do I get my old flight logs out of my old phone and into the new one? Well, this is an easy one. First, install Drone Pilot Canada on your new phone and use the recovery code from your old phone's version of Drone Pilot Canada to recover your backup data. The recovery code is that 8-character code you're given when you activate backups. Alternatively, if you intend to continue using your old phone, you can set the two phones up as a team, which will not only populate the new phone automatically from the old, but also will keep their data in sync. All of this is described in the user guide available on dronepilotcanada.ca and in the team management video. Once again, there's a link in the description below. Incidentally, if you are getting a new device, you don't need to purchase Drone Pilot Canada again, as long as your new device is on the same platform as your old device, your Android or iOS, and you're using the same account, either your Google account on an Android or Apple account on iOS devices. If you're switching platforms or account names, then you do need to purchase the app again. Third question. I passed my basic exam yesterday and am now studying for the advanced operation test. I'm a 16-year-old Canadian citizen. The problem is the following. On the official Transport Canada website, it says 18 years of age or older and have been issued a pilot certificate, advanced operations, to take a flight reviewer exam. Basically, what I understand from that is I can only take a flight review at the age of 18. Is that true? Well, Transport Canada has made it a little bit confusing, but the good news is that you only need to be 16 years old to get your advanced pilot certificate. You need to be 18 to actually become a flight reviewer, someone who presides over your flight review. But to actually get your advanced pilot certificate, 16 times around the sun is all that's required age-wise. Fourth and final question. I recently purchased the Pilot Recency Training course from you. Upon completion, do I have to send anything to you or the government? Well, the answer to this is short and sweet. No, you don't. You don't need to send the completion certificate anywhere. Just keep the signed original in a safe place with your pilot certificate and carry a soft copy with you when you're flying. Loading it into Drone Pilot Canada is a convenient way to never lose it. Well, there you have it. my first Canadian droning Q&A. If you have a question, feel free to drop me a line at dondroneson@gmail.com. Until next week, safe and happy flying. Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. I get a lot of questions, especially from dogs. Hello. Say hello to the viewers out there. This is Scarlett. Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. I get a lot of questions, sometimes by email, sometimes in comments, under my videos, every which way. I try to respond to them all, but instead, I get a dog in my view. Well, what do you have to say? Oh!